Welcome. In this video I will show you how to use on-screen keyboard on your ASUS VivoBook S15 laptop. To enable on-screen keyboard on your laptop, you have to use 3-key combination of Windows Ctrl and O buttons pressed simultaneously. So press Windows Ctrl and O at the same time, and this will enable the on-screen keyboard on your device's display. You can resize this keyboard by dragging the sides and the corners of it. As you can see, it's pretty convenient. You can move it along the screen. You have the numpad on it, and you can generally use it as a regular keyboard. But if you don't have access to your physical keyboard, if you want to enable it, you have to go to the Start menu, then Settings, then in Settings go to Accessibility, and then find Keyboard in here in the Interaction category. In Keyboard, you'll be able to find on-screen keyboard feature, and if you switch it on, you'll be able to see this. You'll enable this keyboard on your screen. But if you don't want to go to Settings each time you want to enable the on-screen keyboard, instead you can go to Personalization, and in Personalization find Taskbar. Here in Taskbar, find Touch Keyboard feature and change the value next to it to Always. By default, when no keyboard attached option is enabled. So change it to Always, and this will make this tiny icon appear on your taskbar. And if you click on it anytime, it will turn on the on-screen keyboard that looks slightly different and doesn't have a numpad to it, but it works perfectly well for typing anything you like on your laptop. And so that's basically how we do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.